What's the prognosis, doctor?
This patient will live.
So that nut should go on the bottom.
Yeah. It should, but they don't, and I'll show you why in a minute. It's a lot harder to put it on that way. So this is the lazy way people do things. It's unbelievable. The nuts should not go on the top, go at the bottom, but they take the easy way out.
Right.
Because it's easy to do it this way. The head shell cover never stays on. It's not that difficult, it's just a bit harder. Great.
Another patient?
Probably. Okay. Oh, that's very kind, thank you. Okay, bye. Dimensions of this. This is what takes the time. Yeah, it's all faded.
Was it way out, was it?
I don't know, I'll check in a minute. More than likely. Let's find out. Yeah, it's miles out. Perfect. Okay, that's done. Okay, spot on. It's okay, that's done. That's full sort out.
Yeah. So that sounds alright to you?
Sounds fine. Sounds alright.
Cool. Sounds fine. What do you think, doctor?
Sounds fine.
Fantastic. Working like a charm.
And the fact that the ambulance came fairly quickly, straight away, there's no damage, which is great. But
Cool, that's great news.
yeah, which is why I've been out of action a bit. But I'm hoping to get back into it. I'm getting bored just sitting around at home doing nothing.
Making plenty of work for you to hear.
You know, I'll come back and do this every Saturday if I can. Saturday's a good day. There's no counterweight on this either.
Right.
I mean the
Yep.
skate. Perfect. You want to check that out?
Yep, sure. Cool, number 3.
That's number 3.
Thanks, doctor.
My pleasure.